Hey, good morning. Carl here. And, I want to talk about what you might be reading online from me and a lot of my teammates about 25,000 in 10 weeks. Now, a lot of you are thinking, well, is that even possible? I mean, everybody talks about numbers like that. Well, here's what I'm going to tell you. We've developed a revolutionary pass-up system that is nothing like a regular pass-up system. In fact, you actually retain everybody because you're list building, and you get paid on everybody, even the pass-ups. Okay? Now, this has never been done before, never been achieved before until now. And this is why this is very, very possible. Hey, Daniel or Andy, how are you? So here's the thing. It all depends on how bad you want it, what your drive is, what your determination is online. That's what's going to determine your success. It doesn't matter what business you're in. You could be in any business that's out there. Now, our particular one, this 25,000 in 10 weeks, to me is very achievable with our plan, even for the newest marketer. I'll tell you why. Because of the way the system is, you're being paid on every single sale. And the way the system that we have, our pass-up system that we've developed, it's built for long-term longevity and passive income. Hey, Corey, thanks for joining. And this is why I can actually come out and say 25,000 in 10 weeks is very possible. In fact, just in the last 19 days, okay, just marketing straight on Facebook with simple little ad tactics that I use, okay, I've created $3,200 in 19 days. Now, I'm on target for well more than $25,000. And I did this without going to a list. I went straight to Facebook and built this off of there. Now, a lot of these people are connected to me, friends that are on Facebook, the groups that I've posted in, those sort of things. I'm attracting those people to me. And in fact, the same posts that I'm doing will actually work with any other business. I just choose to work these marketing tactics that I have that work to draw people to ask me for more information about my business. And the system we have, and I don't care how long you've been in the industry, I don't care, what you think about comp plans and stuff like that. I'm telling you right now, a lot of thought went into the design of this compensation plan, and it is successful right out the gate because of it. Okay? It's, I've been in the industry 38 years. Okay, I started when did I start? 1980 is when I started network marketing. Okay, I was 17 and I started back then. And I have done over the years, there isn't a comp plan I don't think I haven't done. And I haven't, profited in most of them. Okay, I failed forward for about 30 years. Okay, here and there, I made a little bit of money here and there with them. But the problem is comp plans are not built for the affiliates. They're built for the company. Okay? They're put in place to pay affiliates, but the companies benefit more from them than the affiliates do, because that's how comp plans are built. Companies are there to make as much money as they can. Just like if you go to the corporate world and you're going to shop at things like Walmart or Hudson Bay or Macy's or whatever it is, they pay their employees a certain amount, which is around 10 to 20% in total of what the company actually brings in. That's what you have to look at. So network marketing, a lot of the companies do the same thing. They have it, so they have what they call breakage in there. They know people are not going to last, but they're going to make money off of it no matter what. So we built a program with a comp plan that literally takes the company out of the scenario, okay? The only thing the company makes is a small admin fee that is enough to run the company, keep it sustainable. The actual owners they make their money from actually selling the products too, okay? Now, some of you might go, oh, that's not true. Well, you know what? When you find out how much they charge for admin fees and what we offer and the services, you got to understand that cloud servers are not cheap, okay? And when you have multiple ones, they're not cheap out there. Hosting everything costs money every month. Programmers cost money. All kinds of things cost money. So what happens is that most companies will charge a monthly fee to cover all that, and those owners will live off of that monthly fee. In our case, everything is a one-time cost. So the owners actually have to come out and actually build this business. They've designed it this way. The money that you get paid for selling our products are never, ever touched by the company. It's peer-to-peer, wallet to wallet. So you're basically reselling the company's products and gaining the 100% profit from it. Now, if you've ever done a pass-up system, now I've done all. I've done the binaries, I've done the matrices, I've done the unilevels, I've done everything that you can possibly think of out there. And by far, I've even done pass-up systems. And by far, this pass-up design, this revolutionary design, is by far the most lucrative pay plan that I've ever encountered. Okay? And I've been in this industry 38 years. So, you know, I've experienced all kinds of incomes in this company. I've made very, very big incomes in this company, just like maybe some of you have. I know Corey, who's on here, has been around for a while too. And, you know, he's experienced the success online too. But when you get yourself impacted by a comp plan that's designed for the affiliates and not the company, that's the game changer. Okay? There's a lot of companies out there that say that they've got the best comp plan. I hear that all the time. You know, and I'm not saying we're the best comp plan that's out there. I'm saying it's the most lucrative comp plan and beneficial comp plan for the affiliate I've ever seen. Okay? There's a difference. Now, there's going to be a lot of people that will come in here and say, oh, Carl, you know, you're just blowing smoke about that. You know what? I've got proof in the pudding. I have got members who I have just introduced to this less than 10 days that are making $1,000 to $2,000 already. And those same people were in other programs and couldn't do that in 3 or 4 or 5 months. So it tells me that what we have here is working. It doesn't matter what your skill level is. And it's all a matter of how bad you want it. Now, let me share something with you, okay? Now, the tactic I use, I'm going to be talking about this in 2 hours on my Zoom. I'll do another Zoom here in about an hour and a half, okay, where I'll give you the link to that. But I'm going to share with everybody on there. I don't care. Come on. If you're doing another business, come on and tell me what business you're in, and I'll put together during that time, I'll give you a 1 to 2 line sizzle that you will go out there and I'll tell you, you will get people asking you about your business. Okay? I'll show you how easy it is for any business that's out there. The second thing is that now in this day and age in marketing online, if you're not doing Facebook Lives or Zooms or anything like that, you're killing your business. You're absolutely killing it. You know, you might as well just pull the plug and walk away, because this is where the money is. You need to be live with your business in front of people's faces. You need to be doing these lives, talking to people, and giving them the little tidbits that they need to know. You need to be engaged with them. Engage with your team. Get on Zooms. Have massive Zooms. Run your Zooms live through Facebook. You know, it's a little more expensive for that Zoom software to do that, but in the end, it can actually create you a massive amount of money. But you can get a Zoom room for free, and it'll be good for 40 minutes. Use those rooms. Drive people to them and explain to them the power of your business. And here's the biggest mistake that I see people making today online, okay? And I did it for years. Trust me, I was not perfect, okay? But see, what happens is when you learn from the experienced people online, like my circle of influence are all 6, 7, and 8-figure earners. I don't allow anybody who makes less than $600,000 a year or $100,000 a year to even coach me or talk to me about how to make money online. Because in fact, most people today are telling everybody they're going to teach them how to make money online. They're not even doing it themselves. And that is the sad part about this industry, is because we've got the failures teaching the new people how to make money online. That doesn't work. Okay? Simply doesn't work. If you're not making money online, you need to be only mentored by somebody who does make money online, period. And they need to prove to you that they're making money online currently before they can even get in your head. You see, there's just too many people that you friend on Facebook and you become friends, and then they start telling you, hey, you know what, this is what I'm doing online, come join me on here. And then they try to teach you how to market it, and they're not even making sales themselves. I don't know how many of you have been down that road, but I've been down it way, way too many times. Okay? Now I pick and select the people I work with. I can do that. And at some point in time, you will do that too. Because you only want to work with people who actually want to work with you, who actually are out there and are driven and motivated enough to go out there and make an income. Because if they're not, there's no sense in ever having any business relationships with them. Have the personal one, that's fine, but don't have business relationships with them. They're not driven enough, and they'll only take you down. If you're making money now, they could get you to a point where you're not making money. So you got to keep that negativity out of your business. So I'm going to be showing people at 11 o'clock today how to market this business, how to get to 25,000 in 10 weeks. And I believe it's possible to get way beyond that in 10 weeks. But if you're looking to get, even maybe if you're looking to get 10,000 in 10 weeks or 15,000 in 10 weeks, the same thing that I'm going to show you here will get you there. In fact, I'm going to share this with you. Yesterday I did a Zoom, and I did a quick little training, and we actually did a post. And this post went viral all over Facebook. I made the post during the training. I got about, I don't know, I think 18 or 19 requests to get involved in my business. Then the people on the Zoom started doing the same thing, and they were getting 10 to 15 requests for their business. It went viral. And it just takes a little bit of strategic ad copy to get your business going. And if that's what you're looking to do, hey, I'll help you out with that. No problem. If you're not, hey, you know what? Thanks for stopping by. Have a great day. Have a fantastic weekend. And that's it. Right? But I'm here to help people. I'm telling you, I've been doing that. And people that know me, that's all that I do. And I've helped an awful lot of people make a lot of money. Okay? So, you know, I don't know how other people can say that, but there's a lot of people I know. Hey, Mimi, thanks for joining, and Gary and Vadim. But I've helped an awful lot of people make an awful lot of money online. And I'm not going to stop, because that's what it's all about. So you want to learn more from me? Okay, and I'm not saying I'm the best coach out there, but you know what? I help people get results. So that's good enough for me. So if you want to find out more, I'll be doing a Zoom here in about, another Facebook Live in about an hour, a little over an hour from now, just prior to my Zoom. And I'll give you the link, and you can come on my Zoom. And if you're in another business, you can hit me with that. We'll talk about that in there. And we'll put together a real quick ad copy for you that you can go out and post it. Even while we're doing the Zoom, you could go out and post it and then see what happens during that Zoom while we're on there, or during the day. Like I said, I made one little example post yesterday, and it went viral for my team. Everybody started doing it, and they were getting massive results. Hey, Richie, thanks for joining. So I'm just about finishing up here, Richie, but I'm going to be back on here in about an hour, giving a link to my Zoom where I'm going to teach you how to create sales just using small little text message things. So thanks, Mimi. I appreciate that. I'm not you know what? You're not going to get any kind of bullshit from me. I'm very transparent. I'm going to show you what it is. Like me, don't like me, it doesn't matter to me. Okay? But I'm not going to BS you. I'm not going to do any of that kind of stuff. I don't do smoke and mirror crap. Okay? I will go and I will show you exactly what I use. I will help you build something exactly like you use for yours. I'm telling you, this is how I build a trust factor with people. If that's what I need to do to build a trust factor with you, I'll help build a short little 1 to 2 line little post for you to go viral for you in your business. And that'll show you that I do what I say I do. Okay? So anyways, I'm going to be back here in about an hour, but I just wanted to share this with you. You know, it's all about drive and determination, folks, in your business. I don't care what business you're in. If you don't have the drive, you don't have the determination, you're never going to make any money. It's that serious. Okay? I see people every day struggling to make money online, but I can tell by their posts that they're not serious. They're not driven. They don't have any motivation behind it. You will find that when I teach you, you're going to be taught how to love your business, how to believe in your business, and how to actually post with passion. If you can't do that, you're never going to make any money in this industry. I'm telling you that right now. You know, piggyback marketing is a great thing to do when you're piggybacking off of somebody else's success. But if you're just posting and you don't have any belief in it, people will notice it in the text that you write. Okay? If you do a live and you're not passionate enough about your business, people are going to notice that. You know, here's kind of a, let me give you an example. Okay? I come on a Zoom or I come on a Facebook Live and I go, hey, it's Carl here, and you know, I'm just getting involved in a new business, and I think it's really good, and I think maybe you should, you know, come and take a look at it. Okay, so that's one version that I see a lot of people are like. And then my version, you know what, you've got to come and take a look at what I've seen here. This thing here, I'm telling you, I've looked at it and I've compared different things to it. I've seen the results. It's happened for me. I can tell you the difference. I can show you the proof of everything that's going. I love this business. This is where you should be. That kind of thing. Okay? So you see the difference between what most people are doing and then through passion. Okay? If you don't have the passion in your business, you're never going to make it. It's like if you owned a brick and mortar store. Let's say you had a candy store. Okay? People come in and they come walking in your store and you don't even greet them. You don't even say hi. You don't do anything. Well, the chances are that those people that come into your store, if they don't get a greeting, if you don't talk to them, if you don't say anything to them, chances are they're not going to come back to your store again after they buy. Or they may not even buy. They may just walk right out of your store. But if you greet them and, you know, talk about the day, how their day is going and everything, and that's when people will start to think, okay, there's a friendly atmosphere here. I like this place. I'm going to come back. Okay? This is the difference between a lot of store owners out there too, whether they have success or not. Restaurants, you know, when you get in there, are the staff nice to you in there? If they're not nice to you, even if they're having a bad day and they're not nice to you, if they're having a bad day and not nice to you, chances are you're not going to return to that restaurant again. But even if someone's having a rough day and they're still showing gratitude and everything, you're going to come back. So just think, your business has to be run the same way. If you're not showing gratitude, if you're not showing passion and that for your business, good luck. I wish you all the best, because it's not going to happen for you. Hey, Nicole. So with that said, I'm going to let you go. I'll be back here in just over an hour from now. I'll be doing another Facebook prior to my Zoom. I'll give you the link to that Zoom. You can come in and have a listen, or not. If not, doesn't matter. Have a fantastic day. Have a great weekend. Take care.